their feng shui audit, which means that when we have a building, we have an apartment, or we have a house, or we have an office that we want to rent, want to buy, and we can base on this chart to tell us. That means at that moment you want to think, okay, should I get in this unit? Should I rent this unit? Then you plot a chart. Same thing, I will just use this chart as an example. The actual chart, when you plot, will be very different comparatively. So every symbol will represent certain information. So it's important for us to understand what are all the symbols stand for in the stems, in the god, in the door, in the star, and within the palace itself, and then the combination of the stem plus stem and all the other colorful interpretation inside. So that's how complicated Simon Tunjia can be. But going back into the feng shui audit itself, for example, let me give you a case study. Let's say, for example, this person is going to want to rent this place for rent to live, and then happen to plot this chart. And this is the chart that's going to be appear. That means in terms of randomness, this chart appear. So what we're going to interpret in this is here. For example, we will base on the hour Simon chart also. We look at the hour box over here and find where is the sink. The sink, it happened to be here. So it gives us the same information of previously comparatively. However, the interpretation will be different. So which means that in the darkness, that means there's something hidden inside. Darkness stands for negative energy, stands for yin energy. So which means that any places whereby you have to live, where you have a yin energy, it is not a good thing. And then at the same time, this Sing stands for white bone. That means underneath the place itself, there will be some skeleton, there will be some white bone. And then the Kui itself, Kui also stands for yin energy. Something dirty, something muddy, something not clean. So in this case itself, I won't even analyze further really, because there are 3 signals telling me that there is something wrong with this place. In terms of, if you want to rent this place, underneath the building, there are potentially skeleton, there are potentially dead bodies. So don't stay in a place whereby there's a dead body. So this is how interesting Simon Tunjia can be.